So from the from the library components, go to selected components, click OK, right? So these are the selected components, and you can see this one, and then the critical pressure, critical temperature, eccentric factor, molecular weight, volume shift. If you double click, you can set to 0 as per default, or you can also set to interface correlation value, use internal ZRA correlation. If you are not familiar with it, I recommend you to start simple. So we will use default numbers, okay? And then this one, volume shift, Z factor, okay? And then this one, viscosity, omega A, omega B, beta factor, specific gravity. I think it's boiling temperature, okay? And others. Again, if you want to be familiar with it, I recommend you to open the manual, going to help. Okay, so far so good. So these are the basic components that will be involved in our simulation. Okay, basic components in our fluid. Okay, now I actually also have C7 plus component. Okay, the heavier component, C7 plus. And of course, it's not in the normal library. So I will create a new component, my own component, which I call C7 plus. Okay, to do that, go to this one, insert on component. Okay, let's read the note or maybe the header first. This is the custom hydrocarbon component definition. It's customized. So it's based on our data, our description, our preference. Okay, and let's read the note. First, component name, maximal 8 characters to be entered, and I will call it C7 plus. It's not CR7, Cristiano Ronaldo. No, it's C7 plus. All right, for the second one, for better property estimation, please enter all of the following four properties. So if you have performed the laboratory data to analyze this component, you can provide to the Winprop either PC, TC, eccentric factor, and molecular weight. But you know, critical pressure, critical temperature, and of course the eccentric factor, usually we don't measure that. These two are simpler. So, or at least two of the following three properties. Molecular weight, it's easy to measure. Specific gravity, of course, it is even easier to measure. And then the normal boiling point in degrees Celsius. And I will provide that in this case. And let's say from my laboratory, I know that the molecular weight of my component is 185, okay, or 184 instead. And the specific gravity, okay, the weight or the density of this component divided by the density of water is 0.816, okay. And then we need to select the correlation that will be used for physical properties correlation. We will follow the basic, or we will follow the default. It's 2 correlation. Critical properties also 2 correlation. Eccentric factor correlation, we don't have any other option, so we must select Lee Kessler, or another one is Admister. I prefer Lee Kessler. Okay, and the rest will be calculated instead by the Winprop. Okay, so if you click OK, this one, Okay, you will have this own component here, C71, and the critical pressure, critical temperature now is calculated. Acentric factor, this one is our data, molecular weight. This one, volume shift, Z factor, and the other one will be calculated automatically by the CMG Winprop. Okay, so far so good.